तो ये सब ऐसी, इसमें कोई काम की बात नहीं है. How women are affected by the menopause. The hormonal changes during and after the menopause have radical changes on the woman. The timing of when each system is affected not only varies dramatically between women but also the degree of how the challenge changes influence each woman is remarkably unpredictable. The reason for these variations are not clearly understood, but there is some evidence that genetic influence play an important role. While most effects of the menopause have long-time implications, the effect of menopause are commonly categorized as having early onset or an onset in the medium to long term. Central nervous system पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Vasomotor symptoms. Some of the earliest changes during the menopause are the onset of vasomotor symptoms that often appear during the perimenopausal years. The colloquial term applied to vasomotor symptoms is hot flush, and when a hot flush occurs at night, it is termed as night sweat. The exact etiology of vasomotor symptoms is unknown, but is thought to be the loss of the modulating effect of estrogen on serotonergic receptors within the thermoregulatory center in the brain, resulting in exaggerated peripheral vasodilator response to the minor atmospheric changes in temperature. Hot flushes occur in about 80% of women, with less than 30% seeking help. Perhaps the most distracting effect of vasomotor symptoms is through the occurrence of night sweats. The woman may be asleep at the time of sweat, but during the episode she can be fully woken, or her sleep can be converted from a REM sleep to a shallow sleep that is less refreshing. Such differences lead to tiredness, exhaustion, poor performance during the day and impaired. याद रखना, जो डीप स्लीप होती है, डीप रैपिड आई मूवमेंट, ये सबसे हमें सूदिंग इफेक्ट देती है, तो ये कम होने लगती है. While hot flushes tend to appear unpredictably, additional triggers including alcohol, caffeine and smoking, women with high body index tend to get worse vasomotor symptoms. Psychological symptoms क्या क्या हैं? हाँ, ये इफेक्ट ऑफ मेनोपॉज बता रखा कि इंटरमीडिएट, ये इमीडिएट है, इंटरमीडिएट है, लॉन्ग टर्म मोर देन 10, इंटरमीडिएट 3 to 10. इसमें क्या होते हैं? वासोमोटर सिम्टम्स, हॉट फ्लैशेस, नाइट स्वेट. साइकोलॉजिकल सिम्टम्स हैं लेवाइल मूड, एंग्जाइटी, टीयरफुलनेस, लॉस ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, पूरी मेमोरी, ये डिक्रीज सेक्सुअल डिज़ायर, और 3 से 10 साल में ये होते हैं, और लॉन्ग टर्म में ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, डिमेंशिया वगैरह होते हैं. While there is little evidence to support a direct effect of the menopause as a cause of depression, it is clear that menopause is associated with low mood, irritability, lack of energy, tiredness, and impaired quality of life from the early perimenopausal period. Some of these symptoms may be attributed to hormonal changes, but it is also important to consider other external influences on the mood, such as relationship and family changes, financial issues, previous history of depression, anxiety, and the woman's attitude of aging.